Hello everyone, this is Worth It Tech. I just want to make this video on what I'm going to do on my channel. This is a tech channel, by the way, if you didn't notice already. I'm going to make this some sort of channel update 1.0, and depends on how big is the update I'm going to do it on this channel. I don't know if someone else did this. If they did it in their own way. I'm going to do it my complete own way. I don't think I'm copying him. I'm being myself on this channel. It's the best way to do it. You know, you don't need two of a channel. I got Premiere Pro for free, so I'll be able to edit my videos on Premiere Pro. I got Photoshop, but I don't think it works on this computer. This update is about what I'm going to do on my channel and my editing software. Let's start from the software. I got Premiere Pro for free, as I said. Let's make a little overview of my channel. It's a tech channel. I'm going to hopefully make reviews and software reviews. I got OBS Studio. Hopefully I'll make videos. I don't know what type of videos I'm going to do. Hopefully they'll get better by time. 4 videos a week, hopefully. Yeah, it's a tech channel. Hopefully I'm going to make reviews and unboxings and impression videos, and yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys continue with me on this journey. So thanks for watching. This is quite an overview of this channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.